Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Kumasawa Reviews. What we're taking a look at is DX9, their Hurricane, and Tyrant. So you can see these are Legends class figures, between 3 and 4 inches apiece. Get them out of the way. You can see the previous ones that they've done. Speedo, Gardenelle, pretty awesome stuff. And in the background, just to kind of show you guys, literally have to move the camera back. That's a Takara 2010 Unicron. So this is going to be a bit of a short review. I'll put that back. And of course, if you like what you see here, check it out. Order yours at lunartoystore.com. Alright, take a look at Hurricane first. And one thing I don't like about these two figures, aesthetically they're great. On Hurricane, he doesn't have swivel at the hips or ankle tilts, and unfortunately, especially if you collect some of the other minifigures like the Iron Factory stuff, they do take those extra steps to make him really feel like a bigger figure. But I mean, even in A pose right there, he's rocking back and forth, so not the easiest to pose. But other than that, I mean, nice tight joints. It's that one thing, and it sucks that it brings it down, but dang, some swivel as well as some ankle tilt would really put this on another level. Now, this isn't a Target Master. I don't really have any hate for that because it'd be a really small Target Master, lots of small parts, probably easy to break. One thing to watch out on this guy, the wings, I don't know if it's going to be like that for all versions or what, but they do come out. This review's coming late. I lost mine in my work bag for about 3 weeks, and I couldn't find it. Then I found it in the arm of another toy that I had packed in there or something like that. So, yeah. Alright, let's get them transformed. Take this guy out. Relatively simple transformation, if I remember correctly. And it really is. It's a very lovely alt mode on this one. I like it a lot. Alright. Now the top half of the torso here, it all just comes down. And the arms, I don't know if you can see it, but they do peg into the sides here, so. Alright. I'd say that's a damn good Cyclonus alt mode. One of my favorite alt modes on any of the minifigures, period. It's gorgeous. Now we'll take a look at Tyrant. Exact same colors as the LED version of their Mania King. That's the second release. It's really well done there. This one, of course, has the head swivel. Great head sculpt too, it just looks good. Ball joint his shoulders. Got some swivel there at the elbow. I'm going to take out the cannon for a second. He actually has swivel at the knee, but I mean, not thigh, but better than nothing. Ball jointed thighs. Still no ankle tilt though, and it might sound redundant, but that does suck. Alright. Let's actually get this guy in focus. There he is. I mean, he looks good. And I am trying out a different lens here, so see how that goes. Okay. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be tough, but don't exactly remember how his alt mode went. So this is going to be something. Alright. I know those peg in there. That's a good step. Instructions that weren't there, where are you? Okay, that's half the battle right there. So you pull up, go out, same thing with the legs. Get those guys back around. Those act as feet rest. Alright. Now I'm just taking this cannon here. And boom. It's damn good. This is a fantastic alt mode. Between these two, DX9, Iron Factory, these just kick ass. The alt modes kick a whole lot of ass. I went over my problems with bot mode though. The alt modes, they kind of are what they are. It's a jet, a cannon. There's no need for like working treads or anything crazy like that on them. And here, these should actually go down. So we got his thrusters there. Back thrusters too. I mean, they're good. They are very, very good. I like them a lot. So definitely ones I'd recommend. I wish that they'd make like a 3-pack. So you can get his minions. They sent me some extra Scourges as well, DX9 did, which was awesome. Still need one more of those, but yeah. Definitely DX9, Tyrant, Hurricane, I'd recommend them. Order yours today, LunarToyStore.com. Let me know what you guys think as well. And let me know what your favorite minifigure company or whatever is too, because we got quite a few of them coming out of the woodwork lately, and the competition's really rising up. It's almost like masterpieces are really getting crazy, minifigures are getting crazy, while the middleman classics is dying out. So kind of want to do a write-up on that too. But anyway, again, DX9, Hurricane, Tyrant, thank you for watching. See you next time.